So Jason, AI is the talk of the town.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about what's going on with AI and what you're
Sure.
up to.
So in Massachusetts, our focus has been to dive into using it. We believe, there's a lot of work on policy, but in Massachusetts, we believe you come up with policy through use, that we will better understand what policy needs to exist with AI through actual trying to use it, coming up with use cases and building on it. So it starts with that. So with the way we've described it in Massachusetts, we're going on offense. And so I'm working closely with the Secretary of Economic Development, and we're touring. I am talking to groups like 3 or 4 times a week now, just finding out what their needs are. We're working across the different industrial sectors of Massachusetts, including finance, healthcare, life sciences, higher ed, and finding out what use cases they're pursuing, and then what we can do within Massachusetts state government to help them.
So, I mean, when we talk AI, everyone's talking about the role that data plays in that process. It doesn't really work without good data. So what's up with data? How are you thinking about data when it comes to your AI journey?
So yeah, we have an entire data analytics program, and we're really stepping up to get there. We need to ensure that we have good data quality, that we have good data understanding, and that we also can better integrate data across the various agencies. We had an example recently where we needed to bring in 4 agencies worth of data, and it took 6 months to do that. Just getting them to agree to it and then matching the data was very difficult. So it is a much needed step, and I think it's going to be the primary, what will drive things to go slower than I would like. It's going to be the data.
Digital services is still one of the most important topics in government, making it easier for citizens to get access to stuff online. What do you have going on in that arena?
So our digital services program, the digital roadmap, is really going well. Last year, we migrated over 1 million users to our common identity management program, and that's foundational to building up their digital services. So first we identify who they are, and then we can identify them across systems, and then we can provide services that are constituent focused. We can provide services that provide a degree of extra help for them. We can alert them. We can work with them so that they are experiencing one government that's constituent focused instead of by agency.
And we talked a little bit earlier this year about cybersecurity, but I know that cybersecurity is a big topic for your governor and for you. What's going on in the cyber arena for you?
So I'm pretty excited. Last year, we built out our maturity of the Massachusetts Cyber Incident Response Team. Our partnership with public safety is stronger than ever. We are now actively doing a series of tabletop exercises to ensure that we are ready. Luckily, knock on wood, we haven't had anything significant, but we are actively working and preparing for it. We are also reaching out to the municipalities in Massachusetts. So we are working with each of them because we've seen they've been under attack the entire time. And so we're offering them assistance to try to help sure if there is a cyber incident that we're working with them to help resolve those cyber incidents.
And last question, I mean, we're already somehow close to halfway through 2024. We have an election coming up. The next time that we see each other is going to be in late September. What do you want to talk about then? What are you thinking that will get done between now and September?
So I think the AI thing is going to be critical. Our task force will be completed end of August. We'll have a summit with the governor. And at the summit, we're going to present not only the outcomes of the task force itself, but we're also going to be presenting the use cases that our agencies used with our private sandbox back to the governor. So I'm excited to see what they come up with, the different ideas, the way that we can use AI to better help the constituents of Massachusetts.